Okay, now today we will start our lesson. Now we'll start our lesson, okay? Okay, today we are going to learn, actually we learn substitution method. We do a little bit revise that substitution method today and we'll go forward, okay? So here, today's date is 2078, 6th of, 1st of 6, that also, that means today is Friday. And this is the Dasai month. Oh, yes, this is Dasai month. Are you all happy? Are you all happy?
Sir, little, not more.
No,
sir.
No? Why?
Sir, because we can't attend Bada Khana.
Oh, you're missing. You are missing. You're missing Badakhana. We too. We too are missing Badakhana. What is this? What I'm going to make?
Swing.
Oh, yes.
Swing.
And next, what I need to make, please?
Kite, sir.
Kite.
Yes. Okay, how will be kite? Okay, I was very good artist in my school days, so this is my reflection of being good artist. Okay. You got it? How good I was in
Sure.
School time. My art was so nice. I stood the one time first also. Okay. So, and happy Dasai month. So here, which question need to do? Okay, question number 6. So we did up to there. Question number 6. 5x minus 2y equals to 20, and 5x plus 5y equals to 43. Now, 1, 2. Okay, who will suggest me?
Sir, may I?
Yes, please.
Sir, first we should have to write here the given equation R.
Okay, already the solution I started. Okay.
Okay, sir. Then after 5x minus 2y is equal to 20.
Okay.
Then after.
Okay. Wait. From I.
Okay, sir.
From I, 5x minus 2y equals to 20. Yes.
And then after we should have to write or 5x equals to
5x, not 5. 5x. This 5 and 2y will go that side. 5 equals to 20
plus 2y.
After this,
After this, sir, or x equals to 20 plus 2y upon 5.
Upon 5. Okay, 5. Now let's suppose this is equation 3. Later we need this. Okay. Now substituting.
Then after again, yes, 3x plus 5y is equal to 43.
Okay, substituting. Okay, you have to write this language. Okay, substituting the value of x
in equation 2.
in equation 2, not 3. Okay, 2. What you get is this one. Okay, this equation. 5x plus 5y. Not, it's not 5x. Okay, it's I think 3x. Sorry
Yes,
for that.
sir.
There's 3x.
3x plus 5y is equal to
3x
43.
Close to 43. Or this 3 and x, value of x is multiply
3x
20 plus 2y whole upon 5 plus 5y equals to 43. Okay, after this,
we have to multiply 22y and 5y with 3.
yes, that's correct. Okay, what's this talking?
Sadiksha.
Oh, Sadiksha Paudel or Thapa? Thapa, I think. Paudel?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, can we write like this? Or 3x equals to 43 minus 5y?
That's also right. That's good. That's fine.
Sir, I
Yes.
think that is simple.
Okay, I'll do in that way also. Okay, now I'll just do like this way. Okay, now 3 into 20 plus 2y by 5, which you feel easy, you can do it. Okay, as you said, we can do this way also. 43 minus 5y. Okay, fine. Or in this step, 5 will multiply in the now cross multiplication. Okay, now 3 into 20 and plus 3 into 2y. This 3 will multiply for the both, as there is bracket we have to put now, and 5 will multiply for both. 5 into 43 minus 5 into 5y. Yes. After this, 60 plus 6y. Okay, this is the reminder. Ting, 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 ting. This reminder, if you have turned off the video, you have to go to waiting room. This is the reminder. Okay, now this equals to, okay, when you multiply here, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 215 minus 25y. Okay, after this, I'm just resting for 1 minute. That's, you have to, in that time, you have to find the value here.
Sir, y equals to 5, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, some jana stressed talk to me or not, that I don't know, but I think you have not submitted homework, or you have submitted all homework. Yeah, have you submitted all homework?
Yes.
Okay, then,
Yes, sir.
okay, yeah,
Sir,
submitted, yes.
on video.
Okay, now your camera is facing upper side. Okay, now Rajan Goire, you are blocking you are just covering your camera. Rajan Goire, this is not allowed.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we shall have to tell direct answer or step by step.
Okay, step by step. And Bhumika Chetri, I called you that time. Are you well known about Google Classroom, where you have to submit homework?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think you'll submit today, yes?
Okay, sir.
And Sampada Pokhrel, have you submitted homework?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. Sadiksha Paudel. Sadiksha Paudel. Once talking and covering camera and going. Yes, that's your strategy. Sadiksha Paudel. Okay, your camera is covered. I cannot admit you in the classroom. Sadiksha Paudel. Okay, I'll call you later also. Okay, Vidya Pokhrel's camera is so nicely placed. You have to learn from Vidya Pokhrel, okay? Now, Prasan Dawadi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, where you're placing your mobile? See, show your copy once. Okay, anyways, thank you. Now, this is your classwork. I'm leaving this one as classwork, okay? And Darshan Thapa, why you don't submit homework? Okay, thank you, Prasan Dawadi. Thank you, Prasan Dawadi, I got it. Thank you, Prasan Dawadi. Okay. Now, okay, today we're gonna actually learn the question number B, that is to solve equation by elimination method. We just learned substitution method, that is elimination method. In elimination method, we call it elimination. Okay, Prasan Dawadi, please tell me the meaning of elimination.
Rauni.
Okay, elimination means okay, eliminate that. Okay, make it something to be out of that. Okay, yes, to be out of that. Okay, out, to make it out. Okay, here the meaning of elimination here in mathematics, let's do like this: plus 9y equals to 41. Next is 2x plus 3y equals to 13. Okay, now how many variables are here? That is, one is x, another is y. Then elimination method, in elimination method, we have to eliminate one of the variable, either x or y, which is easier. Okay, you have to eliminate that. Okay, now how the variables will be eliminated? That means if the variables coefficient are same, we can eliminate very easily. Now, only one thing, only very important thing, what you have to understand here is which is easier to make the coefficients same. Okay, I'm repeating, which coefficient is easier to make same. Here are 7 and here 2, and here 3, here 9. If you multiply the later equation by 3, what becomes here? 9, isn't it? Is it or not? And the coefficient becomes very same, and you can do that. Okay, first of all, I'm explaining one, and only after explanation may not be so clear. Now I'm doing this. Okay, according to the properties of equation, if here is 5, number will be equal. Yes. Then if you multiply by 2, then right side also, if you multiply by 2, the number again be same. Same thing happens in variables. So if here is x equal to 5, if we multiply this by 7, again you have to multiply this by 7, only it becomes equal. So this is the equality property. So multiplying both sides by 3. Now what you write here is multiplying multiplying both side of equation 2 by the number 3 we get, and subtracting it. Okay, with two sentence same. Okay, subtracting that equation 2 from 1. Okay, this is the language I wrote here. I think you are from English school and you are learning English, so that means you don't have any problem to understand this. Again, anyway, I'm explaining it again. Okay, that means what I'm writing here is the second equation we have to multiply by 2, and that equation we have to subtract from first. From first we have to subtract, so we have to write the first equation here, 7x plus 9y equals to 41, and second equation here by multiplying 6x plus 9y equals to 3, 13 is 39, and we have to subtract, means the subtraction sign should be here. Now our main target is to banish this y, variable y, eliminate this variable y. So we did that one here. Now just subtract here. 7x minus 6x is just x, and that will be equals to 41 minus 39 is 2. Okay, therefore the value of x equals to 2. Okay, did you enjoy this method? How many of you enjoyed this? Let's talk. How many of you understood this, and how many of you enjoyed this, or how many of you didn't understand this?
Sir, I
No?
didn't understand.
Okay, why? Where?
Sir, while that multiplying both sides, that.
Okay, that's what very important part. Okay, just I was cover this solution. Why we can multiply this? Okay, in the both sides. See, equation is just the example of equation is beam balance, in which we use in day-to-day life. Okay, actually x means like one dog. Okay, 1 kg dog is x. It's opposite x. And how many tomatoes will be here? That means maybe 20 tomato. Okay, 20 tomato. Yes. Now equation, whenever we work in equation, if you add here 1 tomato or 2 tomato to make it balance, how many tomato we have to add here? Ashish
2.
Adhikari, I'm talking to you.
Sir, 2.
2. Okay, similar to that, if you subtract here 10 tomato to make it beam balance equal again, what, how many to be subtracted here?
Sir, 10.
10. Very nice. So it happens in, okay, this is the equal to sign will be here. Okay, it happens in multiplication also. If we multiply by 3 here, to make it again equal, must be multiplied by 3. You got it now, Ashish Adhikari?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think you asked very important question, and which is very beneficial for all of your friends, and I think from their heart they are thanking you. Okay, see, we did same thing here. Why we did multiply here by 3 is we have to banish one variable. To banish one variable, one coefficient should be equal here. Why, if you multiply this one by 3, then it becomes 9. So we did that one. Okay, after this the process are same. Substitute the value of 2 in equation 1, then it happens like this. Okay, now what is the next step? Substituting the value of x in equation 1. Okay, thus you will find the value of y. This is how we'll do that one. Okay, in some cases this is just 1 minute remaining, 1.5 minutes remaining. In some, okay, let's see whatever you have written in chat. Okay, oh, solution you have written in chat, Susan. Okay, thank you, Susan. Okay, thank you for your presence in today's class, and you have to write present in the chat box. And what I'm going to do in this last minute, 1 minute, is I'm going to do question number 2, which is a little bit different. Please stay, don't go after present, making present also don't go. Well, I'm telling you to write present is sometimes you'll they're so late to do present, and some of you didn't do that chance. So I just told you. Now from 40 students here we are 32, so they will be counted. Okay, in this case, 5 cannot be made 3, 3 cannot be made 1, 4 cannot be made 6, 6 cannot be made 4, because that doesn't come. So what you have to do in this case is you multiply this 3 by 5 and you multiply this 5 by 3. This is how we'll proceed. Okay, now what to do here? Multiply. Okay, equation 1 and equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 3 and 2 by 5 and subtracting equation 2 from 1.